Hey there folks, Gary Navarre again at this, been a while at the pottery show site here, eh, you know. Well, I'm still getting over having that big old art show, and I finally got out here and tried to do some kind of work, you know, on the kiln, you know. I gotta keep the hobby up. If you ain't got a real job during unemployment, you know, economy the way it is, you gotta have a hobby. Good thing I spent all that money on this hobby before I lost my job. Wouldn't have anything to do. Maybe this will turn into a little bit of a job for me. And maybe others, I don't know. If we don't get arrested for it or not, I don't know. I don't know how you can get arrested for burning clay. Anyway, so what I decided to do here, you know, we're doing a little, well, let's see, what do we get we got a little bit of wood over there put up, not much, you know. I've been trying to clean up around here, and so what I decided to do was this here. We're tearing apart part of the kiln. See, what I want to do, bring this wall here back a ways, so I got more room in the firebox on the back edge for wood. So for now, what we're just do it like that, eh? I'm digging up the ash in there. Got to where it was not much clay, but this all sealed pretty good. This was not leaking really in these parts of the brick here, the firebox. It was not leaking. So I started digging up some of this here where it's cleaner. Get all this up first. It's been raining out here, so it's nice and easy to pick up. The humidity does all our work for us, keeps the dust down. I guess maybe there's a good thing about being lazy, not cleaning it up right away. If I can crawl in there a little way. This ought to be good ash. Glaze. Oh, what's this? Whoop! Don't break it, Gare. Pot of some sort. We'll look at that in a little while. That's pretty cool. Now it's not all powder again. I'm not getting ash in the face, eh? So sure don't want any ash in the face. Nose full of ash in here? No. Nose full of ash, yeah. Yeah, give me a nose full of ash. Easy. Well, that's something, boy. Be careful not to break a rib leaning on here, dear. Yeah, I've done it before, leaning on that rib, crack sucker. Ache for much. Pill don't help either. Well, I guess I'll have to get the rest from the inside. Well, let me just quick soak this. How about that? Oops, part of the glaze came off. Ooh. Man, there's something wrong with that glaze I mixed up, because that had to get hot. That was right inside the firebox. Maybe it wasn't that hot in the bottom of the firebox. Yeah. Got a little gnarly, I guess. Pretty colors in a way. Well, we'll dry it up and see. It's interesting, that crap didn't melt in there. Some it did and some it didn't. I don't know, maybe that kaolin, there's some too much kaolin in it. Yeah, I'll go rinse this off. I guess that's alright, I don't know. But that's not alright, so we gotta put that back in the kiln somehow. Boy, this crap just peels right off. Supposed to melt it on there. Well, alright, let's maybe I'll just kind of take a break, I don't know. I lifted this up here. Lifted the post, now we got this propped up back here a little bit so we could take this all off there. Oop. Or we could just knock it off there. Jeez, all this crap got wet. Those are oops, don't break them more than they are there. So anyway, don't throw it down there. Don't need to be breaking it. What's up, Olaf? You want me to just do something with you? Well, alright, anyway, that's a brief introduction to where we're going with that, eh? Later.